before I continue, South Africans, if you're not there yet, Nigerians will not be like that. We are warm, welcoming people. We are lovely and kind people. So no fear say we will misbehave the one and they misbehave for that side. Do we have any South Africans? I bet if you raise your hand and see.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
DJ Killer before I kill you. I bet when I clap for me, I'm popular for my area. Now only my area, sugar daddy, go one use side chick, they do ritual. Why the side chick, they use kayamata for the sugar daddy? Devil cannot worship devil. My area, I love my area because they're not a thief. You know why? Everybody not thief. Now family meeting. Wow, the Lord is good. Lagos get package. Come my area. Come see where babe when they do once. Hook up get cripple. Other guests go the follow one. Now the cripple be gag leader. Angela. What's wrong? Who not sexy may not follow me. I know they like this girl, so as I just see me like this. So yeah? Cripple. People, hypocrisy, 1 kilo for this country. I don't see 2 guests. No guests. Then they complain one say, wow, since this week, man never carry me. Now the other one say, you dey pray so? To which God? But see, the sweet truth is comedy, it's not easy. All the comedians who don't perform here, I bet more na clap for them. To make person laugh, you know, not be shock. This work, not division of labor. Our own are to crack them, your own are to laugh. If we crack the joke, it's funny, you laugh for the joke. If you crack the joke, it's not funny, you laugh at the joke. Just let there be laugh. Bro, one guy crack joke, nobody laugh. Before you know, microphone for your hand. Before I say, maybe better pick the mic, everybody for the hall don't go. He called him only one guy. He said, bros, thank you. Only you believe in my career. That was a career called career. And maybe engineer, they wait for your one long door. Oh boy, this career no easy. Somebody crack joke. Nobody laugh. I see they walk out, they go in seat. Then one man go meet them. He said, sorry, do you have a complimentary card? The guy said, I've not done it. Then the man said, good, don't do it. Don't do it, oh. This work, you know, is your comedy. I'd like the one that they laugh for because my pikin day. If they come ask my pikin, what does the guy do for a living? My father used to say, one day now. Everybody in our family, we are all comedians. I didn't they bomb me and they say, me, I will be comedian. As they bomb me, my father just come, you all look me for basket. Now I face my mama. Is this a joke? Now I don't say I will be comedian. The Lord is good. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alicology. By the special grace of God, I talk anyhow for a living. I beg, for those of you when they reason this chain, not go there. Now when they supply the video, they supply me. Yes. And they say plug me out the video they use. The video they wear chain. Me, I'm living in chain. The video go wear chain, he go get chain recognition. If I wear my chain, I'm going to get chain reaction. Chain of chain. Brother, I know it's you. By the special grace of God, the Lord just blessed me with the bouncy baby boy. The boy is 9 years old today. By the special grace of God. Oh, but see, this life no balance. So please, before I continue, South Africans, if you're not there yet, Nigerians will not be like that. We are warm, welcoming people. We are lovely and kind people. So no fear say we will misbehave the one and they misbehave for that side. Do we have any South Africans? I bet if you raise your hand and see. No South African here. Ladies and gentlemen, Something happened where it shocked me. Una know say when Nigeria want retaliate, the way they did a break our shop for South Africa. Now Nigerians can't go Lekki shop right. They want Congo, they scatter, they thief things. Ladies and gentlemen, they thief electricity, thief everything. I can't observe, say, one bookshop when they never even lock. One book not lost from bookshop. Which means our thief not the live book. You know why? Because they don't use this book, they scam us. Ladies and gentlemen, how many of you now they deceive like this? Who do Roman figure? Who do typewriting? ASDF, chaka, semicolon, LKJ, chaka, cream, fine. Una not one. They so waste our time, Teach us so many rubbish we will not use it today. Ladies and gentlemen, I will never forgive my mathematics teacher. Sweetheart, listen to me, my dear. I beg, talk. I beg, focus. I beg 2 children. See, I beg, find like today. Ladies and gentlemen, I go up. Up, I go. Now, wait till we don't go up now. We don't go the up now. They come again. Am I to go up? Up, we go. Wait till they are up. Wait till they are up, where they go. They just make me rubbish. So you used to say, if 3 plus 1 is equal to 3, find x. Bro, I grow up and not see waiting I use x to do. Have you ever been to bank go use x to do transaction? So give me 29,000 x. Give me 50,000 y. You know they. Even x when they teach us nothing. Now when I grow up, I'm going to type SS for Google. I'm going to see the T. I'm going to see.
I'll be a fool to go back to my ex-boyfriend.
Now I go finally kill you. Ladies and gentlemen, I will never forgive my mathematics teacher. The only math me I will know today now plus and minus, multiplication and division. Me and you do business. You get your cut, I get my cut. It is called percentage. Which one be quadratic equation, simultaneous equation, linear motion, or that the way we equate formula with God, almighty formula. You just say people they crazy. They just want me to say life hard us. Ladies and gentlemen, even maths even good. What about our Greek? Yam na yam. Rice na rice. Leave her like that. They say no, life must be difficult. They introduce botanical name. What the hell is Carica papaya? Diascoria esculentus, Mani hot utilissima, Oriza sativa, Asbicus peshi. You never ever go market. You want buy yam. Edge of for me Diascoria esculentus meta. For me manage to marry. You see that say ole 419. Don't they deceive us? All right, my time don't reach. Let me quickly do this before I go. I bet more not vessel. I just back on be. Now community school now I go. Now pidgin now we know. Now when I come Lagos, English can be big deal, bro. The advantage we get as bad guys for school, we they oppress everybody. Now when they come ban pidgin, now Ajebota come they oppress us. We your day class will not do anything because we don't quiet. Ajebota we all mash us. Bah! We all block up. We now we not feel use English take quarrel. I wanna hey What now? You know if you quarrel. Now they do me, he match me one, match me two. I say anything will happen may happen. Now beat the smoker, beat her. And they drag us go principal office. Ajebo people they use English, they put life on my head. I don't fit talk. You cannot fit defend myself. Uncle, everybody know him. He's a great bully in this school. Very troublesome. The other day he came to my house. He stole my daddy's 1,000. And you say, Do you have anything to say? Or quiet? They can't say I get problem for communication. And they say, okay, come, explain what happened. Auntie, me, trouble, trouble, my own, jejely, this one, match, sorry, in a gabu gabu. In a gabu gabu. Me, sorry, sorry, then me, inside, on a kutu. What the hell is kutu kutu? Ladies and gentlemen, please celebrate Julius Agu. Thank you very much. Alicology is my name.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.